Steve! I got...
Come on, run, 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 run! Woohoo! All right.
I hit Steve! I got Steve! I got Steve!
Watch it, guys. There's somebody up in front of the container home. Okay, never mind. He's gone. And this one is called How Not to Play Airsoft, so don't goof up. Get out of here.
You getting my picture?
It's just a video called How Not to Play Airsoft.
Yeah.
For all the mistakes. You know when it's... Come on, act like the man.
Make a charge!
He's hitting right here. Hit there. Hit there he is.
Push up, push up! No, it was not hitting like that. Watch your right too.
One dead. Watch that left side.
I got one far right.
Definitely a drop.
Hit!
Where at?
I see you. What the heck?
Shadow.
Huh?
Yeah, baby.
He's on the outer edge. That actually, yeah. And there's a sniper on the outer edge of the woods that way.
Where at?
Right here in the edge.
Like up close?
Yeah.
Do I need to get him?
Yeah, I can't.
Get up!
Yeah.
You ready? Now guys, this is the way of sniping. How many?
Yeah, let me go there? Yeah, I think so. Hey, put focus on that barricade. Hit.
Got hit?
Yo, I'm on your team. Right there, bro. Y'all.
No,
Come on, guys. Let's watch our shots now. Watch out, that's the guy. Oh. You good? Is that a teammate in the building? Well, never mind.
I'll be back.
Smile.
First time.
All right.
I've done paintball, but I haven't done this.
Young man, how old are you?
10.
10 years old. How old are you?
Oh,
You're on the camera.
you have the YouTube? Who wants to have more?
Yeah, check that out.